Good morning students, welcome to 6th standard biology online class. Today we are going to learn about 6th lesson, the circulatory system. Circulatory system. What is circulatory system? The transport of substance such as gas, nutrients and hormone through the body of an organism is essential to carry out the various life process. Waste products are also transported to be expelled from the body in animals. This function is carried out by the circulatory system. In human beings, the circulatory system comprises the blood vascular system. The blood vascular system is made up of three types. One is a blood, second one blood vessels, and third one the heart. Now let's see the blood types. Blood is a liquid connective tissue. Blood is made up of plasma. First one RBC, second one WBC, third one blood platelets. RBC carry both oxygen and carbon dioxide. WBC defend the body against a infection. Platelets help in the clotting of blood. Blood help to regulate body temperature as well as the balance of water in the body. Okay children, now let's see the video, the blood circulation, then you can understand more.
How do oxygen and nutrients reach each cell? There should be some transport system which circulates blood to each and every part of our body. The circulatory system is the body system that moves blood around the body. Now, let us talk about human circulatory system parts and functions. The circulatory system is also called as cardiovascular system. The words cardiac and cardio both means about the heart. So, if something has the prefix cardio or cardiac, it has something to do with the heart. The circulatory system has three main parts. They are heart, blood, and blood vessels. The heart. Heart is a muscular organ that pumps blood throughout the body. It is on the left side of the body and it is about the size of a fist. It is built with a very strong muscle and it never stops breathing as long as the person is alive. The pumping of the heart gives enough force to the blood to travel throughout the body. The human heart has 4 chambers or closed spaces. Upper chambers are called atria and lower chambers are called as ventricles. So overall our heart has 2 atria and 2 ventricles. Right atrium and right ventricle get blood that comes to the heart. They pump this blood to the lungs. In the lungs, blood picks up oxygen and drops carbon dioxide. Blood from the lungs goes to the left atrium and ventricle. Left atrium and ventricle send the blood out to the body. The left ventricle works 6 times harder than the right ventricle. It is because it carries oxygenated blood. Blood. Blood is a red-colored fluid which consists of 2 main parts, plasma and blood cells. Plasma. Plasma is a liquid part of blood. It is pale yellow liquid which is made up of 90% water and 10% of nutrients. Blood cells. There are 3 types of cells present in our blood. They are red blood cells, white blood cells, and blood platelets. Red blood cells are circular, biconcave, and disc-shaped cells. They are produced in bone marrow of long bones and live for around 120 days. They are in red color due to the red-colored pigment called hemoglobin, which carries the oxygen and carbon dioxide throughout the body. White blood cells. White blood cells are amoeboid in shape and are larger than red blood cells. They live for 15 to 20 days. Some are produced in the bone marrow and some are produced in spleen or thymus. They do not have hemoglobin, so they are in white color. White blood cells catch and destroy germs and protect us from diseases and provide immunity. Blood platelets. They are roughly round in shape and are the smallest of all blood cells. They are produced in bone marrow. Sometimes when we get a cut, the blood oozes out of the wound for some time, but it stops on its way. It happens because the platelets help to form a blood clot and stops bleeding. The circulation that takes place between the heart and rest of the body is called as systemic circulation.
Thank you, students. We will meet on the next new topic.